Yeah, this week US30 technical analysis. See what we expected actually this week. Eventually came here, but still this week I can clear this one first. You can clear, okay. So see, can go for a little bit like this. See, it's correcting like this one. Is correcting. It's correcting. It's correcting. After the impulse is correcting now. Maybe it will give one more small correction here. Sorry. It will give small correction here. It will go up. Maybe it can reach one more top. Otherwise, but be careful about this war situation and all. If war is not stopped, then it will directly fall from here. Okay, if you give any correction, it will go up. See, it's correcting properly. Okay, thank you.